Today we are actually starting an e-commerce store from scratch. I haven't seen much video content like this on YouTube where it's like a beat store for hip hop artists to buy beats, build through WordPress, start to finish. It's gonna be sick. So we got Michelli here, my good friend Michelli. And he has like a vault of beats, and we've been on his ass for so long to get this together. So we dragged him out here from London. Join us on this journey making beatsbymichelli.com. We're gonna be using hosting by Siteground. I did a little bit of research. Siteground seemed to be the cheapest. And then we'll also buy the domain from them. Beats by Michelli's 16 bucks a year. We're gonna be building with WordPress using Elementor. So we're not using Shopify for this store at all. The reason being is because Shopify and Beatstars aren't really friendly together. That literally took 10 minutes. That was so painless, so easy. I'm not partnered with Siteground at all, but wow, link in the description. Siteground, 10 out of 10 and price unreal to get WordPress set up like that. So like my vision is basically to take this, because on this website it's just some random page, make this like the landing page. So like right when you get there, it's just beats. Like that's just what it is. Yeah. That's all it is. And I don't want to have all this fluff and stuff. So apparently I don't have WinRAR installed, so we're gonna go install WinRAR.
The paid version.
I would never, ever do that.
We're getting ready to make a website, we don't have WinRAR.
We're waiting for some website stuff to solve itself, so we're gonna go to the back of the studio. How many beats do we got ready?
10 beats.
We got 10 beats ready?
10 beats, 10 days, 10 more seasons with Jelly.
It's a new standard in online payments. Oh wait, it's probably nice and PG, eh? It's a family. You gotta blur that. A little family channel. Vic, can I say fuck in your videos?
Okay. Fuck!
Please enter a stronger password? This is the one that I enter to make my password stronger. There's like bubbles here. Please enter. Why? Oh my god. Oh, okay. Okay.
Make sure you write down that start password so you're not making any money.
Yeah.
Let's jump into the studio, see what we can do. So right now, you can see the plugins are automatically installing. And it's also using Elementor, which I love using Elementor on WordPress. It makes things so easy when you're building a website. So let's keep going.
Can't sneak up on me like that after a poop. All those counts are up and running.
Fucking lit, we're on track, baby. Let's go. We should get like a photo. I like this like black thing. Maybe we could do the same thing.
The exact photo, just to
Yeah, you should just have your hair up in like a ponytail, and we can literally do it right now.
Or hair down.
Why don't we, here, oh yo, we can use these lights and this light. You gotta look at me more. The last time we checked in. Basically the homepage and the only page of this website together. Let me just pull it up for you. This is the landing page for Mitch's site, which in my opinion, I think it's looking beautiful. All right guys, so we got some bad news. The theme and plugins that we bought, turns out this player right here. And this is what I thought we were buying because it says Sonar at the top.
It's rebranded, yeah, it's different.
It's rebranded and there's no Beatstars branding, but apparently this is just a Beatstars embed. Now the problem with this is that we're trying to avoid using Beatstars because Beatstars, doesn't it cost a monthly fee?
Not a monthly fee, but they take 30% of each purchase. So.
Yeah, so Beatstars takes 30% of each purchase, and if we drive traffic there, users can go and explore other artists, and we're probably gonna lose sales. We're just driving traffic to Beatstars. So this is a major setback, to be completely honest, but damn, that sucks. So day 2 of making Mitch's store. Last night we discovered that Beatstars actually has a paid option that doesn't charge for revenue, so it's not going to charge us 30% revenue. So we're probably going to end up using the Beatstars technology of the player and the store built in. Right now Mitch is jumping on his computer, so you have a few things I need you to do. I don't know if there's like a paper and pen anywhere. So right now we're just trying to get a beat tag that we can put on the beats.
Michelli on the beat. You have to hear what it sounds like because it's like weird timing.
See?
I feel like I have to be slower.
Sounded cool. Yeah, that's dope. I like that. Usually rappers don't want that in the song, so that would entice them to buy the premium, the Wave, which is a higher quality track with no beat tag on it. So we're just getting the beat tag right now. All right, my friend, you have to-do list. This on? Okay, so what you gotta do right now is upload the waves. I'll send you the 10 that we have already, okay? And I'll send you the beat tag. Okay, dope. Okay, cool. For me, I'm gonna go into the studio, figure out some email marketing stuff, because email marketing is actually gonna play a big role in this store. We wanna build a list of customers, and then every time Mitch puts out a new pack, we wanna send out an email and say, hey, we got a new beat pack that just came out, and that should generate some sales like really easily without actually running ads.
All right, so right now I'm just putting the final touches on the files that I'm gonna send out, which means basically just throwing a beat tag on it, making sure every file has a home, making sure that I'm sending out a mixed version, a mastered version. Yeah, there's really not much to it. We'll put the headphones on the mic.
Chelly on the beat.
Dope.
Vince isn't here to shoot anymore, so I'm finishing this vlog. But I've been working on this for a while, and I'm pretty much done. So let's take a look at what the website will look like. So this is the landing page, Beats by Michelli. Has that play beats button here. We'll click that. We'll slide us right down to the beat player, but we skip the stop. Here is the opt-in for the email list. He's gonna be sending out a monthly beat pack. This is to get them on. We got that video slider in the back, looks really dope. And then at the bottom, you know, got that social gravity backlink. Gotta get those backlinks. And then social buttons. So it's just a one-page site. It looks really clean though, and I'm so excited. Check out beatsbymichelli.com, especially if you are a producer or an artist. We basically started yesterday where we didn't really know how we were going to get it done, but we knew exactly what we wanted to get done. And the store is essentially done at this point. It's just going to be incrementally improving any weak spots. So the purchase will be made. They'll get a discount if they buy 2 beats or more. They'll get a third one for free. And then we'll have their email list where we can send them a email whenever Mitch puts out a new beat pack every month or so with new beats, and that's kind of their incentive is they get the beats first. So this whole project started from absolutely nothing, started from scratch. You got to see it from start to finish, and I'm so happy you made it this far in the video. That's sick. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. My name is Vic. I'm the founder here at Social Gravity. It's
My name's Michelli. I have nothing to do with Social Gravity other than the fact that they're helping me out with all this. Great people.
That means a lot. See you next time. Peace out.